Parsley and abortion risk during pregnancy. Parsley is an herb that is used in many recipes, and has many health benefits. However, it is not safe to consume high amounts of parsley during pregnancy because it contains oils that have effects on the uterus. It is not known what the safe limit of parsley for pregnant women, although the levels normally found in food appear to be safe. Some possible problems include miscarriage. Parsley oils contain hazardous substances such as pregnant women and apial myristicina. Consuming large amounts of these substances can cause uterine muscle contractions, which can cause an abortion. Historically, the herb has been used to promote the onset of menstruation, which also involves uterine contractions. Heart problems in the baby. The myristicina can affect the baby to travel through the placenta to the baby's body. Once you have entered the baby's body, the substance can increase the rate at which the heart beats. Baby allergies. Sometimes parsley in pregnancy can cause allergic reactions, especially if the woman is already sensitive to some plants like carrots and fennel. Fluid loss. Another possible effect of parsley during pregnancy is that women can suffer diuretic effects, which may result in the loss of more water than usual during urination. When to see a doctor. Ask a doctor about taking parsley during pregnancy. Foods like tabbouleh, which can often contain very high levels of parsley, may be inadequate during pregnancy. Parsley is available in several forms, such as oil, seeds and juice, and these substances can be more dangerous than the natural form of the leaf. Herbal teas containing parsley can also give women too high a dose of apial and myristicina.